Okay, everyone. Um, Part two now. Next, the problems, the harder ones. So I had €2 and I spent 1/5 of my money on a pencil and 7/10 of it on a notebook. How much money had I left? So first of all, now we have to get 1/5 of €2, and we've been doing that at the moment the last while, haven't we? Finding the fraction of a number. Always with money, you must write it out in full. 2.00, and of course divide by the bottom, divide by the denominator, and multiply by the numerator. So we're just going to put in our decimal point and our euro sign. Okay, let's go dividing. 5 into 2, 0. Cannot do, and you didn't use the 2, so that's your remainder. 5 into 20 goes 4 times, and 5 into 0 is 0. So, and obviously multiply by the top, but multiplying by 1 isn't going to change it at all. So that was the cost of my pencil. I spent 7/10 of my money then on a notebook. So let's get 7/10 of €2. Just divide by the bottom. Okay, so 2 divided by 10 is 0. Carry the 2 because you didn't use it. 20 divided by 10 is 2. And 10 into 0 is of course 0. Okay, or 0 divided by 10 is 0. So that's my first bit done. Now I will have to multiply by the numerator here because it's 7. So we're going to multiply that now by 7. And this should give us the cost of the notebook then. So 0 multiplied by 7 is 0. 2 multiplied by 7 is 14. Put down the 4, carry the 1. 7 multiplied by 0 is 0, plus 1 is 1. And then my decimal place is 1, 2. So my notebook was 140. So I can kind of do the rest of it in my head here. My notebook was 140. My pencil was 40 cent. So if you add the two of them together, you of course get €1.80. And the last question, of course, is how much money had you left? So if you spent €1.80 on these things, and you had €2 to begin with, you are of course going to be left with 20 cent. And you can write it as either that, or you can write your answer like that. Okay, easy enough there. Okay, the next one is to do with a shape. It says draw the net of a cube. Cube is easy enough, so let's pretend that our cube is on the floor. So your base is going to be here. Surrounding that then, you are going to have the walls of the cube. And then of course on top, you are going to have a roof. So your cube, your net of your cube should look something like that. Okay, 6 faces on a cube. All right. Okay, question 15 now. What must be added to 3007 to make 9300? So that of course is going to be subtraction because you're looking for the difference between one number and another. So let's write up the big number first anyway, 9300. 9300. And the other number then, the smaller number, is 3007. 3007. Okay, so subtracting away 0, take away 7 I cannot do. Go next door, there's nobody home. So I go to the 3, it becomes a 2, bring over the 1. Start again, 0 take 7 I still can't do. Rename here, 10 becomes 9, bring over the 1. And we should be able to do the sum now here. 10 minus 7 is 3, 9 minus 0 is 9, 2 minus 0 is 2, and 9 minus 3 is 6. Okay, final answer for that one, 6,293. And my last one then is question 16. You had 132 apples. How many boxes of 12 apples can be filled from 132 apples? So if you're looking for how many boxes of 12, this of course is going to be division because you're taking out groups of 12 at a time. Okay, so you're taking 12 and 12 and 12 and so on. So we're going to do a division sum for this. 132 divided by 12. Okay, and you'll be learning this one in your tables in a couple of weeks' time, but for now we'll just do out the division sum. Okay, so 1 divided by 12, cannot do, so carry the 1 because I didn't use it. 13 divided by 12, so 12 goes into 13 once, remainder 1. And then of course 12 goes into 12 once. So your answer there is 11 for the last one. Okay, I hope you did well there, and that you got a good score, and I'll talk to you hopefully again soon.